Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can check the sources that have been used for crafted responses on Perplexity AI by the artificial intelligence. So let us guide you through this. So head over to Perplexity AI, log into your account, click into your conversation history on the left hand side and navigate to the conversation you would like to investigate. So you will see there are several ways. You will see, for example, the used sources for the given reply or response just below it. You may click into them, for example, and see the overview of these sources here to the right hand side. That's one way I can do it, guys. You may, for example, also for instance, click into or switch from the answer tab to the top or here at the top to links. And that is going to redirect you to an overview of all links used for the conversation, not only for the specific answer, but in general for your entire conversation on the given topic. You will also see, and that's the third option, the used source just next to the given reply or the part of the reply here. So you may hover your mouse over the given response, and you would see these sources here listed. For example, you can navigate through them. And that's it, guys. You may, for example, also, but that's optional, you may choose the type of sources here at the bottom by clicking into it and choose, for example, web sources, academic, social media, or one of your connectors like Gmail or Outlook. To give the artificial intelligence on Perplexity AI the command to use mainly these sources. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.